together because y'all think we're going to go door to door and kill people. That shit you used to do to us. We're here to protect our people. We're here to self-police our people. And I can announce today that we cut an agreement for Louisville. We're not just here for the day. We're going to stay in your city and work along with your people to build community policing. I'm going to show y'all how to do it until you can do it for yourselves. We're not here to be reactive. We're here to be proactive. We're going to stop shit before it happens. See, we're going to get to know Ray Ray, Nuck Nuck, and Pookie and all them. Y'all notice I said in them. Y'all know who in them is. Pookie and them. The gangs. We already got the Black Riders with us now. They control the Bloods, the Crips, the GBIs, MB13. You see, we got law-abiding gun control, but we also got the hitters with us too. We got the bangers with us too. We got the boys behind bars with us too. We got the Black Nation behind us too. So I need to salute them before I go on. And the last thing I want to say for the NFAC, if y'all don't believe we real, we've done more in 2 months than some motherfuckers have done since they've been in existence. Y'all need to give us a motherfucking hand. I want to lift up the Black Panthers, the new Black Panthers. I want to lift up the Huey Newton Gun Club. I want to lift up the Fred Hampton Gun Club. I want to lift up the Justice League, because they all came and joined up with the NFAC. Y'all see, we unifying. It's unity. That's what the fuck you looking at over there. That's unity. That's what I see over here. We unifying. And some people scared of that. Because if we unify, they don't have a reason to exist anymore. You see, ain't no money in the cure, money in the treatment. Because you got to keep coming back. You know, another protest, and fuck that. We need to put an end to this. So today, we'll let y'all know what I found out. Because all eyes on Bree, right? Listen to me real carefully. We thought when we came here that when we left, 3 officers would be in custody. We thought that when we left here, y'all be jumping up and down and being happy. But when I talked to the Attorney General, and he told me the truth, I ain't like what he told me, but then he told me why. Now I'm gonna ask a question. By show of hands, who's a registered voter out here? Put your hands down. It's not the police that can fix this. It's y'all that vote that can fix this. Because the only way you gonna fix this, y'all gotta get rid of your man. I don't mean have an election. All of y'all gotta vote that motherfucker out. Because the reason that he couldn't do his, the AG couldn't do his job, because the mayor didn't give him the whole motherfucking case. And the reason he couldn't give him the case, because there was nothing to give him. We had somebody get shot down the street. By mistake, police came out there, put up yellow tape. Somebody cover my 6 right here. They made a crime scene right there. Start questioning people, drawing chalk and shit, trying to find out what happened. They didn't do that for Miss Taylor. There was no crime scene. There was no report. There was no ballistics. There was no blood and toxicology. Matter of fact, there wasn't nothing. So when they gave it to the AG, he said, "What the rest of the case?" Mayor said, "I gave you enough to do your job." And they thought that shit was gonna go away. But you motherfuckers ain't stupid. Oh, y'all want stupid out this motherfucking head. So when y'all turned up the heat, they started passing the hot potato back and forth and back and forth. But they didn't tell y'all that. Because if they did, y'all would have found out that some other crooked shit happened. Because they were really saying that they didn't give a fuck about y'all.
We need some type of vehicle to get. I don't know if you know him, Ozone. Do you know Ozone? The guy Ozone. You like to walk out. Everybody on the other side, all the people sitting up there. They pouring water on this thing. Yeah.
Now move these speakers out as far as you can so they don't together. So come up here. Ain't no feedback so the people from here. Because I know I got some NFAC people out here. But most importantly, I know I got some Louisville people out here who's sick of the bullshit. We've been asking. We keep asking. And the whole world want to know why all eyes on bread. We ain't got the answer we looking for. So, y'all don't mind for a few minutes, just for a few minutes. I want to talk to y'all. We came out because look like y'all need more help to get to the bottom of shit. Can I talk to y'all for a minute? Just for a minute? You know, make sure you stand at ease. Keep your eyes on the swivel. You see, we didn't come out here to fight nobody. Especially people that don't agree that we get an answer on what happened to Breonna Taylor. We came out here to get some answers from the state of Georgia. Like I saw in the state of Louisville, Kentucky. We need some answers.
Yes, sir.
We need some transparency. Because see, y'all talk about it. If we don't get the answers that we want, we won't be about it. And a lot of y'all think this shit is a joke. So let's get it going. Yeah, there you go, right there. Bring my game down some more. So when I come up, it don't feel bad. Yeah, we're gonna do this right here. Alright, now, y'all give me some space. Turn the highs down a little bit, bro. Turn them speakers out to the people. Turn the speakers out there. There you go. Thank you. Turn that motherfucker out there. This one ain't even on. What's that? Nah, bro. Fix your sound, bro. We said we're gonna do it right. Come on, bro. Nah, it ain't that. I ain't taking the change, man. Over here, bro. I don't got one speaker on. What's that? Can y'all hear me? Alright, everybody in the crowd over here, can y'all hear me too? Alright, you can do this like your own studio, one studio, like your own corner. Alright, so here's the situation. Like 100 days ago, some people decided they wanted to do something. The people thought that if they did it a certain way, y'all would never figure this shit out. But then COVID-19 came, put everybody on house arrest. We all got to go in the house and think about it. We came out, we found out, some dirt was done, that if we had done it, our ass would be in jail right now. No questions asked, everybody would have went to jail. But then we found out that they lied. They lied about why they did it. They lied about how they did it. Then they lied about who they did it to. They even lied about who did it to them. Then when they tried to figure it out, the people that's supposed to help them, see, they had their hands in some dirt too. So they couldn't help them. Because if they told the truth on them, they was going to tell on themselves. Then we found out that the people who were supposed to send it to the right people so some charges could come, they lied too. So everybody lying in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Then the person who was supposed to have the ultimate decision, he wasn't qualified to even do the damn job. So he got issues. I'm telling y'all what happened. Then when y'all start tearing shit up, they thought y'all would just go away. But y'all didn't go away. Because y'all was born at night, but you wasn't born last night. Shit didn't make no sense. So y'all kept on asking. And they kept on not telling you. They kept on giving y'all the same old bullshit. Then y'all showed them this ain't slavery no more. This ain't Reconstruction no more. This is not Jim Crow no more. God damn it, this is not even the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, or the teens. God damn it, this is 2020. And we got perfect fucking vision. So you got to give us the truth. Because we grown enough to handle it. Stop making decisions for us. Because you don't think that we can handle it. Because we handling a lot of other shit, ain't we? We handling no reparations. We handling still being treated like we property. We still we handling being lied to by the judicial system. We still being lied to about why we got people locked up about shit that's still legal. We tired of being lied to about why men put their hands